everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ritu and welcome to Ritu's Vibe after so long. Let's start the vlog. So first of all, I would be unboxing this farewell gift which I got from my seniors, class 10th graders. I got this pencil box of unicorn theme. It was okay, but it was quite dull in color. There were two options, either blue, either pink or pink. So I got pink from my name, but overall it's good. Let's start the video. So in this video I would be covering up my entire physics syllabus. Okay, so let me be clear, this video took me around 3 to 4 days of shoot and 1 day of edit. It took a lots of effort in this video. So first of all, I started with motion chapter. So here I was reading few of the lines which I have already marked during my half yearly prep. So I just mark some of the few lines which are important for examinations point of view. So I just read them and I'm good to go for the chapter. But I was having a little bit of doubt in graph regarding the slope. So I just took the lecture of Prashant Bhaiya and cleared up all my doubts from that video, because finals are just 1 month away from now. So we have to start our preparation and make our preparation very strong, that this time we get secure good marks. So I just clear up all my doubts from that lecture, and if you have any doubt while you're studying, clear then and there so you can get to the topic. After that I solved every example and in chapter questions along with the question answers given at the back of the chapter. I solved everything out there, because practicing numericals in physics is very important. After that I made these short notes of first chapter, motion. So you can get these short notes from my WhatsApp channel, so make sure you go and subscribe there, follow there. Then I just did the question answers given at the back of the chapter. After completing this chapter, I went to the kitchen to try something new. So today I am trying Korean kimchi. I have never tried anything Korean food till now. So in this I got seasoning as well as seasoning oil. Then I just put the seasoning and then seasoning oil, and that seasoning oil was just looking like blood and it was smelling very spicy. So I just put that, and after that it was prepared. I just mixed it up and it was really so much spicy. First of all I gave to my mother, and then she said it is too spicy, even she was not able to eat. And if something mama can not eat, it means we can also not eat. So I didn't try it out, I just took a single piece and then just left it because it was so spicy. This was, I don't know what such they have put, it was literally so spicy. After that I did the force and laws of motion chapter and prepared its short notes. You can also get this from my WhatsApp channel. And after that I start doing all the examples given in the chapter as well as the exercise from the back. After that I was done with this chapter. So जो जो questions मेरे से नहीं हो पाते, I just put a circle over there कि next time I prepare for my exams I can do that questions only. I don't have to go through every questions which I have already done. Then coming to the day 2, so I started day 2 with gravitation chapter numericals, because I did gravitation chapter reading last day only. So here I was solving every numericals in this chapter. After that I was having a little bit doubt in buoyancy force, so I just watched again Prashant Bhaiya videos, because I think his videos are perfect for clearing up your doubts. So I just watched that video and understand the topic of buoyancy force and Archimedes principle and all. yeah, finally coming to the day 3 of this video. So then I started with work and energy numericals because I did the readings of work and energy chapter last day only, and I don't think there's as much something to read in NCRT of physics. Like it is not like well structured, I think, because उनमें कुछ चीज़ें डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखी है, सब अनडायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्टली लिखा है. सो आई प्रिफर स्टडिंग फ्रॉम माई नोट्स रेदर देन NCRT फॉर फिजिक्स. डू लेट मी नो what views you have regarding this. उसका न्यूमेरिकल्स करने के बाद मैंने साउंड चैप्टर अच्छे से रीड कर लिया फ्रॉम माई नोट्स, एंड आई डेंट रिक्वायर एनी लेक्चर बिकॉज मैंने साउंड चैप्टर के नोट्स काफ़ी अच्छे से बनाए थे दैट I didn't even read the NCRT and get all the concepts. So yeah, this was all for this video. Thank you for watching. And if you want more videos such as chemistry syllabus and bio syllabus, so do let me know. Thank you. Bye.